We learned to count and write numerals 1 to 100, 100 backwards. Having learned the numerals correctly, now we will see before, after. In the class, you're all the time playing. Oh, Meera, you're sitting before Raju. And you turn around at the back and say, hey, Ajay, you're sitting after me, behind me. Forward means before, after means behind, means after. Then you see, you're sitting between. Then you tell Mary, you are sitting between Ajay and Peter. You're sitting in between. So all these you call before, after, between. We're going to use numbers. All right? So what we are going to learn now is what number comes before. Before 5? 3. Yes? 4. Before 10? 9. For this, the counting backwards helps. What number comes before 13? 12. What number comes before 25? Then you say 24. So the very numbers are very interesting. So now what we are going to do is, what number comes before? What number comes? What number comes before? That's what we are going to do. What number comes before 3? Before 3 comes 2. Very good. What number comes before? Now, I want to look at this pattern and something interesting. Now, let's look at this. There's a boy here. There's a girl here. There's another girl here. And so on. Huh? Now, they're all standing in a queue. All right? All right. Now look, I'm going to put the numerals over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now you look at it and tell me, which girl is standing before 3? Another girl. Supposing I put names for all of them. Supposing I say, this is Peter, this is P, and let's say this is M. We give them letters. Okay, this is N, this is Ajay, this is Mary, this is Tina, T for Tina, and Peter, and this is R, one name. Okay, now we're giving them all name. Now we're going to try to understand numbers before. Now, we have Peter here. Now, Mary is standing before. Mary is standing before who? Mary is standing, Nina is standing, Ajay, all are standing in a queue. Number before. Who is standing before Mary? Then you say Peter. What number comes before 2? 1. Now, I am telling, here you have Raja. Raja is standing before? Raja is standing here. Before who? Standing before Tina. Now, who is before Tina? Raja. Who is before Raja? Ajay. Who is standing before Ajay? Nina. Who is standing before Ajay? Nina? Mary. Who is standing before Mary? Peter. Now, what number comes after 3? 4. Now, here I am asking before. What number is coming before 3? 2. What number is coming before 6? 5. What number is coming before 3? 2. What number is coming before 5? 4. What number is coming before 2? 1. Before. They're all standing in a line. And who's standing before? Now, what is before me? Nobody is there. Nobody is standing. Nothing is there. Behind, after me, there's a board. So, we are doing what number comes before? What number comes before 4? 3. What number comes before 6? 5. What number comes before 2? That's what we are going to do. Numbers. What number comes before? Now I'll give you some numbers and you write what number. Having done numerals 1 to 100, the number coming before should be easy for you. Yes? Now, I just put the blank and you fill in the number that comes before. Okay? Now, I do not know what number comes here. Okay? Then, 16, 17, and what number comes before that, I do not know. Alright? Now, next. 9, 10. 27, 28. What number comes before? 36, 37. You're going to fill in, okay? Next. 43, 44. 1 more. 56, 59, 60, 61. Now we'll do some more exercise. Okay, we have here, we have done numerals 1 to 100. So we can do a lot of exercises. What number comes before? And that will give you a lot of practice to remember the numerals before. Look at the pattern I've given you. Okay, next. "62, 63, 93, 94, 95, 73, 77, 78, 79, 81, 82, 83. "98, 99 and 100. Now, we got a whole lot of numbers here. We are going to do what number come before. All right? You're going to fill in with what number comes before. Let's begin with a small number. 16, 17, 18. Before 6. Remember 16. Before 6, 5. So before 16, very good. Before 16, numeral is 15. Very good. Now count and 15, 16, 17, 18. That's very good. Next, we have 9, 10, 11. You have 9. Remember the counting 9. Before the 9? Very good. 8. So you get 8, 9, 10, 11. After writing, count and say 15, 16, 17, 18. Then you do not go. What number comes before 27? 27, 28, 29. 7? So it will be 6, 26. Excellent. Next we have 36, 37, 38, 36. Look at the second number 5. After 5, before 6, 5. So 35, 36. Very good. 35. Look at the pattern. 36, 37, 38. Now 43, 44, 45. 3, 4, 5. So before, very good. 42. 42, 43, 44, 45. Very good. Now again before number 59, 60, 60. 59. Before 9? Very good. 58. See? 58, 59, 60, 61. Now some more exercise for us to do. Now, look at 61, 62, 63. Here it is 1. So before that, very good. 60. Excellent. 60. 61, 62, 63. Now next you have 93, 94, 95. Before 3, very good. 92. 93, 94, 95. Next we have 77, 78, 79. What number comes before 77? Good. 76. Next. 76, 77, 78, 79. Count forward. Now, what number comes before 81? 81, 82, 83. 1, then you get, very good, 0. So 80. 80, 81, 82, 83. Now, last one, 98, 99, 100. So what number come before 98? 97. Very good. Now, let us look at the number pattern here. All right? So we are done exercise to help us to remember the numerals, what comes before. What number comes before 16? 15. Before 9? 8. Before 27? 26. Before 36? 35. Before 43? 42. Before 59? 58. Before 61? What number? Yes, 60. Before 93? 92. Before 77? 76. Before 81? 80. And before 98? 97. Very good. Now we are going to learn to count and write the number after. That's what we are going to do. Before that, just look at something. What number comes after? That's what we are going to do now. After. What number comes after? Now, let's look at this. I've got some fruit here for you. Okay, you have an apple, a mango, then an orange, then maybe it's a bunch of grapes. Okay, we are learning after. Okay, now, then you have a banana, uh, a pear. Now, we are going to learn to identify what number comes after. Before that, tell me what fruit comes after the grapes. After grapes, banana. I think it's a rotten banana. Banana. That you're very clever. What fruit comes after the apple? Mango. You're very clear about it. What is the fruit that comes after the mango? You have an orange. What is that fruit that comes after the apple? Mango. What fruit comes after the orange? Grapes. And so on. So you know grapes, orange, apple, and pear. Now let me ask you, what letter of the alphabet comes after M? O. What letter of the alphabet follows after G? After G, B. That is, banana. What fruit comes after the apple? After apple, mango. After banana, pear. After grapes, banana. After orange, grapes. After. Okay? So we are going to learn to count the numerals and write down what is the number numeral that comes after. Okay? Now, let's do some exercise for us to remember what number comes after. Now, here if I write 1, 2, 1, 2, or let me write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I'm asking you, what number comes after 14, 15? What number comes after 11, 12? What number comes after 13, 14? What number comes after 15, 16? Simple. Now let's do an exercise. In fact, I'm going to make you do number of exercise for us to remember the number. Okay? Okay, now look. We will do what numbers that come after. Okay. 12, 13, 14, and then a number. Okay? Then 27, 28, 29. Okay? Next. 31, 32, 33. And then find the number that comes after. Next. 45, 46, 47. What's the number that comes after that? Next. 53, 54, 55. And find out. Let's find out what number comes after. Next. 66, 67, 68. And let's find the number that comes after this. Next, one more exercise for us. All right? Now here. 72, 73, 74. And then find the number in the box. Next, 87, 88, 89. And then you find the number to put in the box. Next, 94, 95, 96. And you find the number. Next, you have 7, 8, 9. Then you find the number for me. Next, finally, 23, 24, and 25. And then you find the number. Now we are going to fill in all these boxes with the number that comes after. Numbers, what number comes after? 12, 13, 14. What is the number? 15. Very good. What number comes after? 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. What number comes after? 31, 32, 33. What number? 34. Excellent. What number comes after? 45, 46, 47? Good. 48. What number comes after? 53, 54, 55? You get 56. What number comes after? 66, 67, 68? Good. 69. Now, what number comes after? 72, 73, 74? Good. 75. What number comes after 87, 88, 89? 89? Good. 90. What number comes after 94, 95, 96? Good. 97. What number comes after 17, 18, 19, 20? Very good. And finally, what number comes after 23, 24, 25, 26? See, now we learned to find the numbers that comes after. This is learning to count forward. 45, 46, 47, 48, 95, 96, 97, 98, 19, 18, 8, 17, 18, 19, 20. Learning to count forward, and we are also looking at a pattern. If it is 45, 46, 47, the number follows is 48. So what number comes after?